What's going on YouTube? This is Gouveia, and today we're going to have a little tutorial on how to get everything from the Spark DJI drone into their bag. Many of you are having difficulties putting the propeller guards inside, and this tutorial is going to teach you exactly how to fit everything in here and then some. Okay everyone, so here's the Spark box, and everything that came in the box is literally on the table except the carrying bag, right, which we're gonna fill. You have your remote control, the wire to the charger, the USB wire that came with it, 2 batteries, the charging pads, the propeller guards, the drone, the charging adapter, 2 extra rotors, a bunch of charging cards again, and I have an extra USB over there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fit all of this into the original bag, including the propellers. I know many of you have been having a huge issue with that, but we're gonna do our best to get it in there. So let's get started. Okay, move some of this out of the way. So many of you already know that the batteries go in here like so. So let's slide them right in there, right? The remote control, many of you put it like this, but to be honest with you, if you put it this way, you could protect it so much better when you have your joysticks aiming inside. And what you could do then is put the cable wire there, your extra USB wire there. In my case, I have 2 USB wires just in case, and that goes there, right? So everything is nice and tucked right in there. Now, with the drone, it's very simple. Head first, camera down. Always make sure the camera's protected, and you slide it right down. Now, what you do is with this, with the charger adapter, you slide it this way down first, and you tuck it in there like so. Now, this is where the tricky part comes with the propellers. So with the propellers, try to slide them in here because you have a lot of space in there. So what I do is, in between the rotors, there's this gap. You see how that one fit in there? Same thing with this one. In between the rotors, there's a gap. In between the rotors, there's always that extra gap in there, and just wiggle them around until the rotors sit flat on top of each other, because they're literally gonna find that one sweet spot that they could fit into. And as you can see, I'm not putting pressure on anything. This is completely flat. Okay? Now with the charging pad, slide your charging pad in the front, like so. And if you want, you could even do your extra wings or your extra propellers right there. Extra propeller right there. I have a little lens cleaner that I put right in here. Then all my SIM cards, or micro SD cards I should say, I slide them right into this bag so I can protect them in there. And with that, I slide right in there and I zip it up. It's not bulky at all. This is exactly the way it's meant to be packed. As you can see, the rotors are in there, the drone is in there, the batteries are in there, your remote's in there, and honestly, if you have an extra iPhone, what I do, you can even fit an extra iPhone in there. So, extra iPhone 6 that I don't use anymore, except for the drone, and I slide it right in there. And that's it, I'm good to go. So this is the tutorial on how to pack everything and then some into the Spark drone bag. Hope you enjoyed. share, leave a comment. Let me know if this works for you.